guys, good morning. Today is my penultimate day, second to last day in Zhongshan, China. We're just going to pick up items that we have bought, such as my photo album and some clothes. I'm going to do a quick OOTD. We're going to eat a little bit before we leave. I'm wearing this blouse. You can see it has this lace detailing. Really pretty. Look at the flowers right there. So this is a close-up shot. Great detailing on the sleeves. That's the start of the show, as well as this part here. Front is plain, black pants to match, and then I think I'm going to wear these sandals. They have a little flower on it. Yesterday, everyone managed to play mahjong until about 1 a.m. It was normal that we woke up a little bit later today. I'll see you when we go shopping. This is what I'll be eating. It looks like there's dumplings, shrimp, meat, paste right here, and I think it's the same thing here, but it's wrapped in seaweed. Right now we're walking and we see this. This is funny. Very breezy day. Not too hot, not too cold. Just right. Good temperature. Spell information wrong. Fun times to be had right here. Hi guys, we just stopped by City Wardrobe to pick up this because they had a brown one that was size medium, but I'm a size small, and then they just had a white one in size small today. So we picked that up. Yesterday something strange happened. We were trying to find that store because they had some clothes that we were going to pick up, but then they didn't have their name of the store on the receipt. That was an issue, but we flagged them down and they found us too, so that's good. Now, after getting this, we're going to go pick up our photo albums. See ya in a bit. We're walking and we stopped by this moped. I just couldn't help but to take a second glance. The color is orange, but look at the container, the storage box. It's a turtle shape. I don't usually see that, so that's interesting. Look. Wow. There's a pizza store right here. Look at the pizza delivery bikes. You can see they have giant bags, which is not traditionally see on mopeds, but that's needed for the pizza, right? So that's interesting. This is also a very quirky moped because they have this. You can show them from the sun and also from the rain. Smart idea. Flowers. They smell really good. This is a Western style place called Bailan Box. They have coffee, pastry, and stuff like that. Shochan is breakfast. I can't imagine myself owning a moped and having that be the sole mode of transportation that I have. If I go grocery shopping, I'm going to have a lot of groceries. I don't want to go twice or 3 times just because I can't load all of my groceries. What if I'm wearing a dress? I don't want it to get dirty. I'm not going to ride it on a moped. Same thing for guys that have motorcycles. I guess that's just something that people in China have to live with and they have to deal with. Walking back, seeing if there is anything that we want to get last minute. Small stuff, not big stuff. This here is $15. Sweatpants, which is about $3 American. Looking at the outline and the design of these stores, for this one it's slanted, but they all have these rectangular storefronts and open glass windows. That's an interesting scene. I haven't played Mahjong in over 12 years. That's something that I might try doing later on, at least before the end of this trip. Also, something that was very noticeable that my grandpa told me is that you need to stay close with your family and be kind and respectful to your family and give back to them when they're older. Keep on working hard. In the beginning, it's not easy, especially when you're young, but then as time goes on and you be persistent about it and steadfast, work hard and work smart, good things will come your way. Be a good person, follow the law of attraction, and good karma will come to you. Fishies coming out to play. I love this right here. How peaceful the fish are. Not causing any drama, not causing any trouble. Hi. Right now I'm just hanging out, looking at the photos that we took. We went to digital studios. Basically, we give them photos from our iPhones, plug it into a USB, or we can send it to the WeChat, and then they would comprise a photo book for us. Paper photo book. For example, let me show you. It's right there. Good times here. After a short intermission, we're going to go out now with my mom and my aunt. Last minute shopping. Maybe find one coat at the most, but little souvenirs for our last day in China tomorrow. We're going to make a quick stop at McDonald's. This is a smaller McDonald's. They have McCafe advertised here. Looks like there's vanilla ice cream, green tea for $5, and this little treat Oreos. It looks like there's peaches. You got it. Enjoy. I'm eating this. It's really good. It's some kind of special rice with green tea. Not too sweet. It's very pure. Definitely enjoy this. You see the toys? $15. This is where you order your meal. This is where you collect everything for different meals. Let me show you the McCafe really quickly. This is what the seating looks like. I was on the street and I found some corn juice. It's warm. I'm going to try it out. Corn juice. It's really good. It tastes like warm corn. Good. Just passing by street stores. A lot of tables set up. You can order whatever you want.
中意去唔去啊？去唔去後邊？
This is what I'm eating now. It's squid leg, squid tentacle, I think.
Okay, let's go.
Chinese street food. I'm gonna try it out. It looks really crispy. Look. Crunchy. Flavory. Not too salty. Yeah, it's really good. I enjoy it.
係咪啊？係咪唔要？
要糖。So this is the one that we want to get. Stopped by this store called Sugar Tea. They were very fast. It's fresh fruit. This is what we got. Sugar tea, and there's the drink. There's a lot of different fruit in there. I see lime, there's apples, oranges. There was one that was only $18. That was only orange juice. This one has multi-fruits. I can't finish it right now or even start it right now because I just had the corn juice. But when I get back, I'm excited to try it out. I'm going to try my sugar tea right now. Just look how beautiful that looks. Let's see how it tastes. Very tangy. I taste the kiwi and the lemons very clearly. Super tropical. I didn't put any ice in it. It is also very pulpy. There's a lot of pulp in it. I like pulp myself. This is so good, and I'm so glad that I got to try it out. Crab.
係啊，咁樣啦，係咪啊？嗰個係火鍋啊，火鍋 turtle 嘅。
Chicken and the turtle from last night. Cauliflower, mantis shrimp, like new hot, and some veggies. A lot of food going around.
Có dạy đúng không?
Rất là
Còn cái cấm này
ấy à, sườn miên là cho
Phải
nó
sáng này à. Chặt tim.
đi nước lắm à.
Cầm tô hộp,
This
cầm
has
tinh à.
shrimp roll, shrimp eggs. This part is so good. We're enjoying a lot of food tonight.
係，開始槍口嘅，槍口嘅。
And this is mussel. Mussel.
Chân mấy cái quay dầu gì à?
hành nhạt của nhà.
Wow. Just bought this over pig leg with ginger. Scratch it's not pig leg, it's pig intestine. I think it's really tart and a little bit too sweet for my liking. And of course my loud family. Overall, I think it's a good dish. Just cleanses your palate. We're just going to relax, later play mahjong. I might do a little bit of editing. That's the day today. Tomorrow we're leaving for Hong Kong around 4 or 5 p.m. So I'll see you tomorrow.